Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Deb 3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast, Pass and Mobile special, proudly brought to you by Deb 3 Events, Deb 3 Media, Deb 3 Studio, and also our friends of the show, Ogoshe Designs. They've been with us since our day one. Namhla ngani ngicocobisile ngani umoya uphansi but phakathi enhliziyweni yami kuyafika madoda injabulo engilayo. We finally have African champions ku World Cup under 20 as into le njabulisile kanye. But before we get into that, chawo moya man la mfana baye happy lapha bakhona. They are preparing for imidweek kulama midweek fixtures. Masudu isi
Ngizikipani.
all right.
Hayi ngikoyiswe kakhulu.
Una yazazi indaba zakho zakile kanye tisha
Abira ngisito kumnandi eBhoreni.
Bingelelana ababukeli majinsi.
Njani lapho ababukeli emakhaya nasemsebenzini. Angazi ukuthi abanye lisibukela lingapi but ngikwazi indawo ezithu zona lezi. Hopefully jabulile lapha likhona likahle lemuli zikahle.
Ngiyabingelela ababukeli emsebenzini emakhaya nasemgelweni asibakhohlwa abantu
Abafowethu ibe basibukela kakhulu.
Yiba babukela kakhulu ibhora laba izindawo eziningi kakhulu.
Nice one Masudu. Lo machisi ungamkhodla lapha khona. So guys, let's get into serious business. What can we take from Morocco? What lessons can we learn from Morocco? Not just win under 20, but generally, because Morocco as a country, they've been doing so well. Check even Fazin, they've been doing marvelously well. What can we take? Maybe lessons to Izifa. We've got problems. Karesi Michael Nis, abantu bathi gachai phansi what kunenge okwenzakala eBhoreni lakithi asilama stadiums asilana. What lessons can we learn from Zimbabwe Skyli Morocco?
Mina dala vele indaba ye-planning vele. Ngiyakhumbula last week sike sakhuluma upresident wethu ezife sithi ibhora lethu lisemuva ngabo 20 years.
Thina sathi 30.
Sathi 30 thina sangezelela. So I think nje akukho fair ukuthi yena ngenile kathesi nje expect izinto zihlezi change. Into elesikhathi lokhu idilizwe so ukuthi yakho esibili ifike kuma levels kanje ngabo Morocco nalawo. For example Morocco yona ngwayo anti okukhulunywa ngayo iplan le into eqalise kubo 15 years ago.
Yeah, I remember right. I remember when they said bale 15-year plan.
Ukuthi into yankona kumele bele continuation phakathi. Not only 2 minutes sokutshintshe lokho, 2 minutes sokutshintshe lokho. Asihlaleni phansi sivumelana into esiyifunayo le. Sesivumelana ukuthi alright ukuze siachieve into leyi kumele uzibani eyenzini. And kumeke sure ukuthi bona laba abanikwe imisebenzi omele beyenze ngendlela. Kube accountability. Umuntu ongayenza umsebenzi wakhe kuhle nje akabonisa indlela ukuthi hayi eyalunga ubuyosambe ngendlela yonke so yiko ungakhayela eMorocco even ibhora labo labafazi the senior men's national team yafika kuma semifinals awe FIFA World Cup. Karesa abafana sebewine under 20 and bacha Argentina mdala
final. Argentina team wonka serious.
Brazil, Spain,
USA
yabona. So singahlala nje sibambisana ngabe lo muntu odonse sithi even kongasikho ku administration kuphela. Lama journalists abami ukuphusha ama agenda ukuthi umuntu ufuna umuntu wakhe ufuna iplayer like sibe ngabantu nje abahambisana ngendlela eyi1. Yabo.
Masudu, what's your take on that one?
Mina I think yonke into nje it's start with the foundation. Zimbabwe must have that foundation in football. Because I'm someone ngifaka imizekeliso ne. Loba uyayakha imention ngazi benhle kangakanani but into evalwa lapha is the foundation. Zimbabwe imele siqalise konke from the foundation. Sazi ukuthi isifunani. IMorocco istarte kahle 15 years or 16 years back ilungiselela manje iZimbabwe lakho kumele siqale sikwazi ukuthi sifunani. Look at singakhuluma ngeMorocco kuphela. Look at Ghana. Ghana don't you remember isquad esabo Giande sa? Yiso sake sa win World Cup.
Ama-juniors.
Oh, ama-World Cup,
I World Cup.
Ama-juniors.
Ama-juniors. Besiqale kahle.
Kaba bengi under 17 or I think under 17.
Ngoma under 17. Kuyisquad sonke sona sa. Besile foundation ekahle. Sathatha isikhathi sayo. Saba labantu okuthiwa abakhethi balandela yabona izimaphe kufuna abantu bebhoda. Kunje so ukuthi asithi khona abakula bafana abayi4 abadlalayo ngale eMashonaland kulabafana abangaka lawo okwazi abantu abebhora not abantu abazaphika ngeregion ukuthi hayi thina we think ngapha mana iregion yeyo right no. Labana bayenza kwebhora that's why ubona bekhona pha.
Ngiyakuzwa. Mina I think isimoko sethu kanye ethi administration asikho. We've got great ungatrigger Kennedy Ndebele. Bangena KPSL lithi bayenzana. Ekuwayelenders baye. Okay, kulabantu esingaba tracker administratively. But I think angazi ube ministerial level where uthi unga draft plan because kuqasa ama stadiums madude. Kubele siyakhiwe ama stadiums proper. Ama training facility eMorocco ama training facilities are blind ukuthi any team engabuye eMorocco ama high performance centers whereby you get everything.
Morocco yawo sta 7 ama friendly lapha na FIFA international break before le sijaye kade sileyana. Esala kwa labo Gabon.
Uyabona into engikhulumayo. It's proper awula soli lutho. They were preparing themselves. They wanted to host the World Cup. They've been lana 2010 yawona South Africa. They were part of that. Befuna ukuhost. Ucheze abantu odala belungiselele but thina sila stadium to speak with. So if we can start like uMasuti is saying foundation. Slama ground, training facilities, high performance centers whereby we know ukuthi grassroots mdala ama coach ethu. Sike bale incident otosiza khoza bebecela imali to do ama training courses. But yiba abantu aba coach abafana abancane esibakhangelelayo the likes of Prince Dlo badlule ezandleni zabo siza. You understand? So ungazathola ama region wonke bakhona abantu abanjalo. So kumele it should be part of the plan yezifa uthi okay right silama coaches omele siwabhadalele thina ukuthi behambe beqeqesha to the highest level ama certificate yakho umuntu athwale nzima kanti uPeter Dlovu is doing it alone. Awu emebhenqe Sundowns emfanda ukuthi etholi coaching course yakhe la uCafe. But uMadinda Dlovu kade uyathola emebhenqe uTopi is not involved eBoren. Umdlamba nje wethu uTopi la is not involved eBoren. So in part of planning baningi abantu abanjalo mdala ulabo Alois Bonjire they are all over the place. We can name them eZimbabwe we know. Usikhangela okay right we need junior coaches. We need abahambe beyenza hayi bhatalelwe izifa bebekwazi ukuthi kade sisabe isikhala bethu uThuthi owehlekile amanda 17 vela so coach wama juniors ngama problems esilawo. So singakhayela izinto ezinjengana le foundation ngiyayithanda ipoint yakho ifoundation our foundation ibe solid. Sesikwazi isilama coach ethu a qualified eZimbabwe under 15 under 13 under 15 under 17 under 19 under 20 under 23 grassroots level were covered. Ngapha kuyayakhiwa kanti singathatha iadvantage kulabo wa stadium kulabo Chawanda bayakwayo labo bebuild kuke kumiwe jekezi izinto BF bedilizo bekhipha insimbi leziya oluvevo oyisit oRufaro ogwanzura manengi ama stadium omcheke stadium ungazwe nga elungiswe kube kuthiwa in the next 15 years ufuna ama stadium labe
se right
we understand
internationally certified
honest nasty labana sibele high performance center National University of Science everywhere in Zim by you know ukuthi ama juniors kuyapick ama provincial teams ahamba endaneni yabo nasty ba train by so doing sesile plan going forward because ungacheka administrative ambonti siyalose but implementing ama processes kanti umagwizubele ama points akela na 100 in implementing those sizathola national sports silesikhathi singakanani thoya lungiswa
hayi kudala.
So yabona iproblem ethinga in implementing but ephepheni you be surprised ukuthi eZimbabwe ephepheni kuyafika.
Mina I think eZimbabwe sigcwele ngokukhuluma balama ideas abantu abakhona through ekubhaleni umbe but when it comes to ukuthi
as implementing
asukufaka phela kusebenze
yes
akula
look at
it iPF utala ba iPF but look at isabehleli njani iPF which means lokana vele ungafaka iPF le Johannesburg Stadium vele into ezithu ehlukile ukuthi kahle ngale sabehlele esamendeni yazi ufuthi abafana yabona abafana beMorocco ungababuza emebhenyi igame bake bayidla ukuthi uyababuza lidliswe yini yonke into ikhona manje lapha ubama excuses ya
maningi
uyakuthi mina vele at the first uyakuthi mina vele imali yokugada engalayo yogada umchove buya ezotrainer uyakutshela njani akula bhasi ezabathwala bona ama under 17 kumbe ama under 1 akula ngama problems so kulama excuses amaningi abafana bazakutshela ukuthi vele badliswe lo mfana ade ele passion okudlala ifootball kumbe elentshukutshu vele mfana ugcine siba down
yes
ugcine siba down into zakhona zonke thina vele angazi ukuthi uhamba njani
enomakhenis besikhuluma nje ngomakhenis kwenzakalani hayi mina utsho mntwana zemvune ejaya ibhanzi
asonke dala
lo zemvune ejaya ke sibe le ngcono ube fa ukayitano right
dala ukuthi ukuxoxa umuntu le contract dala kulama consequences and of course akumake sense ama figures la sephuma uthiwa kumele nikwe 80,000 ukuthi be terminate contract yakhe because I believe ukuthi even imali ayihola yamambona ukuthi ngabe idlula ama 10k yabona so inxa kuthiwa umbe sokuterminate akuhlale phansi kuvunyelana into right wena ndi contract yakho vele iphela ngoDecember ngcono sokunika imali yakho ama-months aseleyo la
hayi ngoba hayi
yabona
abantu abanjalo basibisele emuva eBorini
base lapha yabe sesibambe hostage yikusibamba hostage
so somele sime kuAfcon
kumbe alright bengamxoshi akaqhubeke icontract yakhe izoye expire kodwa engasebenzi ehlala eceleni ngale ihole hlezi phansi
abamxotshe vele Jeka siluzile ukuthi imali vele impingazi yakhe osikoti kunini bekhipha izimali nduda ochivayo kanti uzokhipha 250
bale bayakwazi kade ukuthi yumumu ngabe kuyikuthi bafuna ukukhipha ngabe sebekhiphi
ngoba I don't utsho mna usibisele emuva la sesikhuluma iqiniso
national I think la umuntu mbona is the best plan because siyakuphi lo muntu osenza njalo because siyagcina siluhlazo after hlazo to hlazo
kodwa singamxotsha phela sesile security sakhe yasihambise FIFA siyabuyela kubhani
hayi
ya
siyabhadala into intsho
manje kulabantu abanike abantu ama 250
imali
maye ukuthi for sure la abantu bale football in heart bazabhadala remember those guys they paid ama players bedlala first game lapha eSouth Africa bathi bona bayaphampa maye ukuthi ba serious babathanda ama Warriors nabo bathanda ama Warriors they were going to pump that money
but indaba isekuthini nxa sesikhuluma indaba zemali ama-Warriors andiyakwazi kathesi kule mali abangakazinikwa ezidlalwe kuma
vele zibapha izigweret eziningi ungacheka
sivela ama-team amaningi baphule out ngenxa zezimali baze bakhuluma ukuthi kulezi mali izifa ezinikwe ukuthi nika i-women football but abazilethanga i-80,000 yokunika umuntu eyi-1 ukuthi ehambe yabe izaphuma ngakathesi
njalo mina ngutshela ukuthi kubochivayo imali ezincane lezi
but uchivayo kathesi Topi yakwazi ukuthi yisitshasi kuyachisa kumbe ufuna bemfonele
imali ezincane
kumbe ufuna bemfonele bemtshela ukuthi hayi sicela imali yokuxoxa
umshini ukuthi ukuthi silabantu vele uma suda ukukhuluma silabantu abazitshela ukuthi bona bale football ethati bakhipha imali encane into ezelizwe nje
abake bebhada
asonto zama individuals
those guys esikhuluma ngayo bake bathatha iZimbabwe iyedlala eSouth Africa laphana surprisingly ngezwe kuthiwa istadium kwathiwa iNational Sports kumbe lokuzendana yayifuna imali engaka but bathatha imali yona liyana yiyo abayibhadala ngayo stadium kube kuthiwa balungisa istadium so what if mabe umuntu lo unisi ezikhambele then siqhubekela phambili
sesilungisa kuhle siqala phansi
but manje mina Topi gents mina into engizaba against yona ukuthi imali ziphume ebantwini nje ukuthi khona konke kusho ukuthi abantu abalama Warriors
anti association isa build up lama coffers ayikabi step isikhathi sihamba ukuthi time goes by imali yabo iyatholakala i-association yaba le mali
yikho ngisho ukuthi lami ngiyabona ngendlela uma Gwiza azama ukufaka ngama system ufaka ama system othi yona i-association izigayele yodwa imali
isikhathi lokho esihamba i-association iyagcinisile imali at the end of the day
from ukuthatha imali uma individuals and mina ngizama ukavoid ama situations ukuthi uma afaka imali egcine sesithi fakani lo coach
yes awuqinisi
kumbe fakani lawa ama players
ule point khona
so because wakati esizifa sichize enzela izinto za unless kuyikuthi kujahiwe nje akahambi but umuntu ozasifakela imali la kabe umuntu ofaka imali engayenza okunye phezulu kwalokho
into engitsho uGarnet nansi sibuyele emuva ngoMichael Nisi asiyiphambili kuyini okutsha sekulethi iZimbabwe is qualified for AFCON before is not the first coach ukuqualifies
and abanye ba qualify ama points
angcono and then ngoma draw
mina lami ngibona ngani umxoxa kungcono than ya la guys ngiyakuzwa mawuthi sithatha imali umuntu uyabalisele siya for time being yazi into uyabongela choice for time being kafa lo muntu mawungisuya ngcwaba umuntu le mali afika athi hayi lina maybe licala ungcwaba ngesaladeni ethi hayi mina ngiyabuya ngeWednesday umngcwaba uma for temping samela yena uyabe le mali
ngwele case
so la khona for temping abafake le mali singaze ukukhulumeni khona ukuthi bangabanjwa njani eze coach la kulokuthi sihambe lo muntu osenze
ngoba izabuyo coach yena senze ngafaka imali abafana ababachofi bebizwa abafana bengalibona ibhora ngale AFCON ngale siyabe singalungisa ngalutho siyabe sifike sachaywa still
wona umsebenzi sasemkhulu
so
usasemkhulu wasitshiye sitsheli lesibili ukuthi umkhulu lo msebenzi
ngathi asante sana
anyway moving on guys another happy news hayi bona lezi lazo zinews ezimnandi zibile ukuthi singazijabulela Division 1 football Eastern region besikhuluma ukuthi 3 horse race but kuphelile over the weekend kulomfana omncane lo esesikhulube ngale last week besithi 27 years apparently uBoyze akagwanisa 27 ayikwanisa next year uBoyze ule 26 Clifford Ralph Tswairo uyenze history enzima
awandisibindi
akuzabe le 26 year old engenisa team ku Premier League use engenisa iHunters idli Tenax ngale khuma phana soje iTenax yenganela ama chance ngoba izadlala le Maswingo le Hunters awuhle wakuqeda uBoyze uClifford uhle wathi apana zwakadaro iHunters ihle yacha iTenax yaku 66 points iMaswingo yabe siya draw 0-0 which means iHunters they now have an unassailable lead abasatholakali ngesindebeni ngesikhiwa yilo lo lebale liqambile
so within
yeah so it's now done deal
so kuphelile and Tenax bese iTenax ngendlela kade uya ngayo ngama game enenzwe sisitshela mina bengitshela ukuthi vele yeza gcina phezulu one since very ile experience vele kudala ichama in and out so sisenxibaza yenza nje into abayijwayeleyo befike bethi tap but congratulations to EFC Hunters lo coach wabo the youngest
ever
mina mbona ngani yazi siyamkhalisela sibili ngalokho kwenzileyo kodwa kyasala kulo kodwa phakathi ukuthi okay it's 26
is 20
manje now seseqela ku Premier
nxa bezamnika ithuba
bezamnika ithuba and ama possibility ukuthi awuza ku Premier aslima abamalutshwana
indaba isho njani uthi angaqotsho
baqala ukuthi you are not qualified you know sometimes ukuthi eboreni vele kukhona ukuthi uyaba igrader igrader you know ukuthi iyaqhuphula ilokuzeni umgwaqo ivula umgwaqo kuphuna izihlathi iqhuphula amakudwala but umgwaqo sumuhle ku N1 sonjana ayisavunyela ukuhamba uthi hayi
yabona
subulala umgwaqo kungogebhileyo you see so umfana layo bathi sefika kwaphana bane aba players abaqualifyisa abantu kwafanele bakhona baqualify Scotland akulayo maybe lo mfana oyedwa manje odlalayo kwathengwa abanye yabo lo coach wathothi asuye futhi
ayisuye
labo mozi nawo asuye la yathola ukuthi hayi bathi hayi ulwazi lwakho ade lophelela ngale
but yena vele amaphepha eqinisweni sesingadodi kala vele
yazi ngikhumbuza situation kaluphahla
akuhlala ebhentshini ePremier League so ngathothi akalo kwamaqino ukuthi nxabe muthi mana babe ngamenzela umumo akala amaphepha ukuthi eqhubeke because
fact checker khona lapho ngisakhuluma ngendaba kaluphahla uLuphahla wangenisa iTel1 wayengela amaphepha probe singena iTel1 ngasakwana uhlala ebhenjini so yakhumbula sikhuluma lapha na foundation ukuthi no izifa ingaba serious this is another talent umfana uClifford sezibonisa ukuthi no I can do this thing so izifa nxa ile foundation eprobe yiba abantu esiba identify ukuthi okay umfana lo asimthathenini sinjani simfundise to the highest level
ehlebe nguye wama juniors vele
even bengamphanga ama juniors but uyabe usukwazi ukuthi silomuntu esimemakhile ukuthi a group of coaches because yabe ngayikho one but is one of them esingamkhangela ukuthi sengaphikiwa enye national team or sengaba part of the coaches abangancedisa national team ngoba uBoyze useziprovile ukuthi no njani into le nyakwanisa uyeza even amaphepha engele sesimthatha njengezifa sesimfundisa CAF B CAF C CAF A or UEFA B UEFA A ama license proper sengucoach ophela asadinga uMichael Nis sesilabo uMichael Nis khona asibafundisile uthina sizifundisele sesikwazi ukuthi singafaka uClifford lapha kana sithi Clifford national team 2 years ngocoach national team ungehluleka silosiza lapha owafundiswayo asadingi ukhatshana sesikwazi we've got high qualified coaches khona apha elizweni that's the foundation that I was talking about into esingazikhangela sikhayele eBoreni unjani uBoyze uright emaphepheni
uBoyze amaphepha akula data but ngiyasupport indaba yona leyo ukuthi sizi yabona kunje so vele umele izivihlithi lapha asibambe lapha umuntu lo sithi because uyakhanya ukuthi ule direction ufika nga and I'm sure le FC Hunters team yakhe bidlala nje ukuthi asathola ngabathuba lokuyabona lapha edlala khona but I'm sure ukuthi bidlala iBoreli elibukekayo
we saw ama clips besidli imashwingo that ukuthi umuntu and is coaching even experienced players ngoba lwana ohlohla versus emashwingo edlala ku Capes umuntu omdala yena ule 26 so man management skills already is showing ukuthi unayo you understand
so lapha sesifuke nje example ngeMorocco kade sivele sikhuluma ngayo ngakhala ucoach wabafikisa kuma semifinal eWorld Cup is nguson of the soil wow
wompro womkrono
wachova wachaya uCristiano bonke
Portugal yike sokuthi abadingi ukuthi badinga umuntu ucoach phana sebe ucoach bethu esiba emakhile esikwazi ukuthi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 this is the pool of coach esebenza lawo on 1920 ngocoach esebenza lawo stoppa la
so why is it that izifa engasebenzisi that opportunity this is an opportunity ukuthi ukhangela ukuthi but now it's 26 unibona umuntu lo mase siyafika ku31
awebe se blind
sisafika ku35 singa struggle ukutshona sibhadala ama coach outside thina sila material phakathi
isystem yethu ufuna ukugezwa from phansi dala
so singathi system
because kathesi kungathiwa kathesi sesivumelene ukuthi local coach akusozokwezwa ama interview either kuzabuya uTapera kuzabuya uMapeza kumbe kuzabuya akusoze vele kutshone ukuthi abadingi
labana jeki sesikwazi proven they've been given ama chance sesifuna anti lapha sesikhangela ganethi sesisho ukuthi uMapeza sesawunika 1 2 3 because uMapeza national team seyicoachile ka 3 ka 4
lapha ngikhuluma ngeoffice nezifa lapha nxa bona kungathiwa sebevumelene into asiqatsho local coach abatshoni vele besiyadinga khatshana bahle bedobhe bona laba abavele bekhona
that's the problem that we having ngiyakuzwisisa but if kungaba le system entsha kuyabalula because kulama we've got experienced coaches
silawa
bakhona bengasebenza labafana laba lona sebesengazathi ukuthi wena sesikuqhatsha sesithi wena sebenza lama coach lawa ule pay anti lapha sizama ukulungisa ilizwe yes asathi ukuthi wena Pasuwa we know Pasuwa very experienced coach but sebenza labo Clifford sebenza labo Sizali Adukosi ule pay Sunday Chitambo you've been there asakuqhatsha sebenza labafana give them experience banike knowledge yakho they know how but sebefundile sebe lamaphepha you understand that way kuba easy even ama experienced coaches ama former players they are now involved eBorain.
ngoba enye indawo athona ikhuluma ngathiwa experience ama-coach bayithola ucoach engafika topi even emutsha kathesi uthiwa uyaqala ukucoach i-national team mnikeni ama-friendly ngoba i-FIFA break mnikeni ama-friendly yikho athola khona experience
Kufana lama-player esasikukhuluma ukuthi wena uyathi ufuna ama-player adlala phandle awufuni ama-player adlala kheli South Africa qualified to the World Cup
Sundowns Pirates
with 11 local based players bakwenze njani baqakathekisa ama-league abo izifo must be looking into those bethi okay right siqakathekisa ileague yethu mdala ukusebenza ukuthi umuntu udlale e-Azerbaijan ileague yakhona ayibukeli kufile oyileague wakhona umuntu wakhona mepenceka dla I've always
maybe time waster ungena my team siwin
you understand so into njalo izinto bele sizikhayile uwenze ukuthi improve ibhola lakithi eleZimbabwe but moving on well we know Zim but asoze sekele ukukhuluma moving on sisase ku spirit se Division 1 football uClifford Eastern Region done ngalesi sisilile sesiya ku Southern Region we saw what happened guys over the weekend Southern Region la sisiba one horse race sizishepela mboni ibulawa Chiefs it's unfortunate utop hakako bebulela abafana beNasti bathi boys ehambani geleza
shisa mpama
abachayela ukolaka nje
asobe bhora lina lingaba
manje bala amabhuku
lingaba amabhuku
I'm 35 is ningi
too much
I think that's a statement win
yakhumbula ukuthi at some point ade sithi nxa sibala ama results e Southern Region T1 kulesikhathi especially ade ukhuluma khona ucoach lo win ama 1-0
yes
uyabona nxa sebechaya 5 so bajensetha no asifuni ukuphonga ukuthi wasiqualify nje lokho qualify ngkhona kumele kukhanye ukuthi abe sichaya sibila abantu
but okunye mbonani bazondela into istance esenzwe inkayi lewangi uyasikhumbula
but kodwa mina ngibona iChiefs anjho i5 le ibonisile ukuthi into yethu siyayaza sicabangele njalo ma given a chance ngoba ungabona iNasti layo mali idliwe 5 akula lapho thawusola khona ali we just took a book amabhuthenu lizingenele ebhasini lihambe hayi bachayile
abangene ebhasini Nasti akanje bade
hayi nasibala ibhasi
besithi bayaqhuma bebuyele
idlale Chiefs Village but what I'm saying is like uMasudi saying ukuthi iChiefs itshezile into abayazi abazayi bebe dictate ngento umsindo odwenzakala because we saw iwange lenkayi besithi uSayiti ubenga melanga adlale what umsindo lwana just to give context do you have the story to
I have the story lapha Tobi so umember lapha bathi uSayiti yena uSayiti wasayinwa udlalela ama team ayi3 ngesizini e1 ngokuthi emthethweni weFIFA sibili akuvunyezwa
but that's not the case though
uSayiti nanti ihome twani
i-team yakhe
i-parent team yakhe i-Black Mambas anti so babemlone kubathi Bulawayo City and then wasephuma kuBulawayo City wabuyela
yamclear i-Black Mamba to Chiefs
so laba nxabesilwa bona i-fighting point yabo isekuthini wona basela ukuthi member wathi ephuma kuBulawayo City wabuyela Black Mambas wasebuya eBulawayo Chiefs so kuya sokuyi3 ma team
I see khona
bathi sokuyi3 ma team
I see
so inzama ukucheck indawo yakhona right nansi so Title Chasing Zifa Southern Region Division 1 side Nkai United have written a letter of protesting alleging irregularities in the registration of former Black Mambas and Bulawayo City striker Ane Society. A talented forward side joined Bulawayo City at the beginning of the year before his contract was revoked by Black Mambas who later moved him to Bulawayo Chiefs during the second transfer window which opened 1 July and closed 30 July. We write to formally lodge complaint regarding use of ineligible player by Bulawayo Chiefs. The said player who was on loan at Bulawayo City from his parent club, Black Mambas, was reportedly transferred to Bulawayo Chiefs in the opening of the transfer window 1 July. It is important to note that although the transfer window opened on 1 July, this did not coincide with the official mid-season break. The second half of the season commenced on 9 August, meaning any new signings were only eligible to play from that date onward, in accordance with FIFA regulation. Despite this, Bulawayo fielded Ane Society on match day 13, 5 July. And then match day 15, 16 July. Match day 16, 19 July. Match day 17, 26 July. So indaba lapho sekuthini ukusayinwa is fine. Bebemsayinile. But bomele eqale ukudlala ngoAugust, iwindow period kaJuly isiphelile. So bona bamdlalisile ngoJuly before window period isiphelile.
Ibonile even icomplaint yewange, but when I was doing my research kanyetan, in FIFA regulations on registering players, a professional football player cannot play for two teams simultaneously in the first half of the season, as they can only be registered with one club at a time. However, a player may represent a second club if they are transferred or loaned during the season's transfer window, which often occurs before the first half of the season ends. So, if you check the key points,
Loan.
Simultaneous play, a player cannot be on the roster of two different teams at the same time.
All right.
Transferring a player can move from one club to another during the season as long as the transfer takes place within the official transfer window. Did site move during the official transfer window? You tick that box. It's a yes.
Why move a transfer window?
Does it belong to two teams?
Try belong our Black Mambas and then loan with Chiefs.
You understand? So when I look at all these irregularities, I see Uti maybe Iwangele guy did not read the FIFA rule book.
So dala ngizakutshela leya somfihlo. You know Iwange FC anti umuntu wabhala that complaint. Umuntu okuboard yezifa Southern Region. Okungangokuthi lapho indawo leza dongwa khona yabe khona. I'm sure ukuthi abantu laba nxa beyenza ama complaint lawo bayakwazi lapha bazabambela khona iBulawayo Chiefs nxa kuyikuthi bafuna ukuyibamba, and sisho la ko futhi iBulawayo Chiefs lapha ekhona. Sorry ku topic ngamthinda uTopic ngathi topic afaka ule comment what it's why, but amajita siza surprise la lapha khona utshela ukuthi lathi sile indlela esizadefenda ngayo, because
knowing Masudu, you know Bulawayo Chiefs, they play by the book, very professional to the T.
Ikuthi kule ndaba kaNdoro dala
Ajax, we know that one. But look, he actually played for the three teams. He moved. The Ajax did not check Uguti Undoro, or they did not read the FIFA rule book. But in this case, the guy, this is what I was saying. I was doing my research. A player can move from one, that's the registration limit. Under FIFA rules, a player may be registered for a maximum of 3 clubs during one season, but may only play official matches for 2 of them. It's key.
Yeah.
He can be registered for a maximum of 3 clubs during one season, but may only play official matches for 2. How many teams have Saiti played for?
Said 2.
This is what I'm saying. This is FIFA rule book. I know Chavas, he plays by the book.
Yeah.
I know Bulawayo Chiefs. Ungazi check football fans as Bulawayo Chiefs, very professional to the T.
Yeah.
They will never make that mistake. A mistake engaba khona enzakalayo mina engithen recall. If window lavulwa ama games engakafiki uhalf.
All right.
But the window had already opened. Then players are registered online. Zifa registered players. Usaidi was not going to be registered for Bulawayo Chiefs.
Yeah.
If there was irregularity. So in this case, if there is an irregularity, Zifa, not Bulawayo Chiefs. Do you think Zifa is a Dubulunyao?
I saw this Dubu. This is
and I think very Chiefs singakhuluma sithi Chiefs vele lapha khona ba comfortable bakwazi ukuthi isituation yonke
bona ba right
laba baphambi ukukhuluma basayidini. Hayi Chiefs ayengeke yenze into without emaphepheni. iChiefs inaba last time Chiefs ehlelekile. Yayengeke iyenze into engahlelekanga njengale.
Okusegcekeni.
Akuvumi.
Chiefs ihlelekile vele yiko ibona la relaxile manje bayawazi ukuthi ngaze come to ilokhuzeni yakhona i-court yakhona i-Chiefs yawina vele.
Because Ismogo incwadi yewange othi ngutshela Ismogo sikona but Ane Society was not properly registered. He was not cleared by Bulawayo Chiefs FC, the Southern Region League or the Player Status Committee. Mtala, no player will be registered without being cleared.
Yeah, kuyenza.
Khona kuphela asho sokuthi no wena manje you read wa understand ama situations anso ukuthi iFIFA ilama emithetho yawanjo bona bayenze ngeenga babangubhala abahamba ngemabhukwini abanjani njani
Bafuna ukufrustrate
why
Chiefs.
list they are dealing with abantu abane order yazi ukuthi deal nomuntu ole disorder lo order two different abantu
Yeah.
ole disorder uyaphutsha kuphela uyaqhamuka pha yabo lona bezithulile uphele kwazi ukuthi siyahlangana.
Yeah, but when I think khona kokhuluma ukuthi bekuyindaba yokudirelana nje ukuthi
Befuna
babona
ukuphambanisa.
Chiefs ya cruiser so bafuna ngani bayidistebanyana.
That is why you ukuthi that is why body Chiefs China 5. It's making a statement ukuthi no relax anin. We've got this. So Bulawayo Chiefs winning 5-0 if they opened up ilokhuzeni gap but to my surprise inkaya ebhala incwadi le wange zidrawing 0-0 kuyizo so bona sebecabanga ukuthi maybe but which I don't see happening.
Yeah.
I don't see that happening. Ama paper FIFA la lokho abakubhalile badrawile did not do justice bona emagamini abo. They're supposed to win. Bezama uvala igame.
Ukuthi alright fine nxa sifisela ukuthi Bulawayo Chiefs beyavulela ama point lathi besitore silawo.
You understand what I'm saying? So Bulawayo Chiefs to our viewers Bulawayo Chiefs has opened 7-point lead over Iwange, 70 points Iwange 63, Inkayo on 6th. We can now safely say this is a done deal.
Done deal.
Yeah.
Southern
Sela man matches lapha.
Sele 4.
Yeah.
Sele 4 matches which is 12 points.
So ke done deal ngoba yonke i-team elandi Chiefs uyabokwazi masidlale kuhle sabe si-draw. And ungabheka ama team asele Chiefs. I-Chiefs laba vele hayi.
I think basele
ibhola liyenzeka but hayi i-Chiefs lapha konke ngomchilo yabedlula la.
I think basele le team kaMfundisi.
Iguno life. Aso Igu life.
Jala. Why is it Jala? Team of Prophet. Why is it team of Prophet? Igu life.
Sorry papa, you try football band. Football band, you know. Bakuyabizwana vela amabizwa ngapha. Yo.
I understand you papa.
Ekuleya my head. And into yokuqala i-Chiefs anti uyisela abantwana besikolo 5 laba bazabuyela bechaya indima maso kunja idlala maso kunja i-Chiefs ayidlala upapa la kumele bekwazi ukuthi abastila ngebhora stili ngendima angeke angaze ayifast as 20 days mbe 40 nights okaJesu angakaphumelele lapha so kurongo la
yoni iklife idlo zebra revolution ade wena
ngamkhokheli
wabona iklife wabona idlo idime ephansi ekunamba 13
njalo team lana esake sibukele thina amadiwana ayidlaleli yini le team lana idlalela ukuthengisa ama players njalo anja ukuthi ichai carpet ayilali indaba le wini
izebra revolution
asobantu angathembela ngabona ukuthi udliwa yiyo ukuthi unga stop i-Chiefs mina mbona upapa babuyele bechaya indima
edebona ngani ba safe bakunamba 16 iklife aba so relegation ngani relegation 2 inasti the Ajax is already gone
because kule akulama D2 ay4
I think
kule D2 4 zan le D2 1 kumele vele D2 yala
lapha
so it's 3
it should be I'll double check but I think it's 2 teams relegated if it's 3 then iklife yabihamba
ngoba ewange kule D2 yayo promoter 1 ku division 1 e4 bale D2 yabo bodwa ekubulawa lapha kumele vele D2 yabo
kule equal division
so lapha sekwazi 3
so I will double check on that one so neki homework then moving on to Gadget Central Region Southern City Central then sigcina Northern
ku Central lapha i-news first singayo ama-results iya-draw kanti bile ndaba yayo
Yes,
la
that case, yeah.
bakwithiwe
but let's say ikhulu ekubula indaba yakho let's say umfana wazijijibizo wathi abathakula nje
and isitayela soku-akhwitha sangikhona dala vele yilokuyana ukuthi uyabona umuntu nxa ekuthi lapha akula ndaba akula story lapha
beqeda ukumbambatha shesha
because abazange ba-explaina lutho ukuthi sim-akhwithile ngoba sidingile ama-documents akhe sathole right bapho ngokuthi they've been acquitted lo mfana nalo wangikhona osima ukuthi utshintshe ibizo la
akula nto enjalo
akulacala so as it stands i-hard rock nje kathesi baphekha izikhwama balungiselela ukubuya uPremier nje salelinye isupporter laphana ngahle ngalibiza ngathi member ubona njani igame leyo wathi next year kuba roba apha ePF
but kusase lo msebenzi phela
kusashesha because balida nge1 point
balida kwaziyo ungayenzakala
so ama results eCentral Region MSU MSU ichingile iMSU ichayi iGem West 2
yiyo phela yokumisa isheshamo
Tongoka kathi ichayi isheshamo yakhala libhola and then iTongogara ichayi Matobo FC 3-0 iDulibadzimu ichayiwe FC Platinum under 19 and then iWest Nicholson idrawile leShabani Mines 0-0 Shasham ichayi zeTherapy Gwanda 3-0 then iGwanda Pirates idrawile leBlanket Mine 0-0 Green Tigers idliwe yadraw 1-0 then Chapungu ichayi Gokwe North FC 6-0
machapungu khona siba serious sokuvalwa hayi chapungu
amabhasi ezuko wagijima sebefikile erankini so number 1 lapha ya draw 76 idlale 30 games and then Shasham 75 la idlale 30 games landela iPirates 64 Gwanda Pirates idlale 30 games and then iChapungu layo 50 idlale 30 games and then iphansi ngale Bishop Stone as good as relegated 11 points from 30 games Dinson Vuma 22 points from 30 games Gem West 26 points from 30 games and then Gokwe North 29 points from 30 games and then MSU iphezulu kwe Gokwe ku number 14 nge-goal difference yona MSU le -10 Gokwe North le -27 but Central
but do you see ukuthi iCentral Region despite esingakukhuluma is still a 2-3
yeah kusasheshwa
ishesham isasekhona
it's not vela mbonti idraw yayo ukulalisa kwayo idraw yayo isingazithola la isibuyela futhi ku-D1
you understand so ukuthi iyadraw yebo bafuna ukungena because but engakukhulumayo mina lokho enzama ngakho isizini eqalisa akula team engayakha istadium esingadlaleli iZimbabwe ifuna ukudlala iDivision 1 ngamanga by hook crook
but kule ndaba engiyizwileyo amahungahunga endabeni zabonkayi ngale kuthiwa kahle allegedly linganilandi ngikhaya allegedly kuthiwa inkayi bifuna ukuwina istatus ukwenza ukuthi ithengisele yadraw in case yadraw ingayekela ukungena yikho sebezama ngendlela zonke
so this is what I'm saying ukuthi by hook or crook iyadraw is coming to the Premier Soccer League isheshama isingayenzani ikhalale beyincengi iphendule but amagame lawa asele amboni iyadraw beyimisa mdala kula team yakhe istadium esinjalo ithi yadla u-D1
akula
amna kuyala kona lo
I think ivele even anjathi Zimbabwe yethu vele njalo bakwazi ukuthi vele team lana ekhona next season nama refu onkaza refula kula amagame hayi abaye babe siyabukela kodwa abaye siyabukela ama delay ayizakalayo yabo
yiko wayenzakala eScotland uDivision
1
mina ngathi kusase lo msindo bathwele zima uScott wathatha icup wayihambisa kupresident
Chithi nasasiwinile iCup baba
hayi lo bazokuthiwa
uyawina coach bayiza sesihambelana coach
noma sokuthiwa i-reverse i-cup isivele State House angathi akula nto enjalo.
Ubaba sethe
Congratulations.
How can you build i-stadium abantu abangalaso abanye ku-premier?
Yeah.
Then you expect team la izahlala ngayo.
Usakhuluma ukuthi abangalaso ku-premier ilizwe asila stadium.
eZimbabwe i-National Sports bengayilungisa mbona i-stadium sesebedlulwa i-National Sports.
Yeah.
Proper esiyadrop. But sebesike sikhulele i-National Sports ukuthi sona silamahotela silani siblind.
So I at Roku lama refu abaqhubekani bo refu isa refu delayed.
So moving on to on that note, let's move to Southern region, just Northern region yasheshu. Northern region ingombe yahora le agama lokho ezinje so. But okungichazayo nge-Northern region ingombe yahora ngadraw agama ya draw. Ingombe yahora ngadliwa agama yadliwa. Lokho ezichiyana nge-1 point. Ziyawina zonke. And lakho kusele 4 games. Ilokhuzeni imombe yahora idlalele Golden Eagles draw 1-1. Ngizitshela ukuthi ayagama iyawina ephezulu. Ebese ya draw le Rhinos 0-0. So eNorthern region imombe yahora i-team kaScott. By the way abangawaziyo i-team kaScott iku number 1 77 points agama number 2 on 76 points. It's now a 2 horse race. Akusele ezilandelayo.
Yeah, akusela.
But if FIFA uzayivuma ukuthi bela team ayi2 Premier League. Lokho ngizibuza uScott uzayenzani ngeteam le.
Team kaJivayo le.
Uthi yena ukuphuthas. Okanje that's your
boys very way ayidlalela already boys kaJivayo.
Nakachiva udlalela ingombe yahora. So no the riches khayili kangena ingombe yahora.
Singakhangele yiyo vele singene. Ama names oswakhulumile la there is no way man.
Cause besingakhuluma ngokuthengisa ama franchise but ingombe yahora mdala ilama assets
vele singene.
Idlana clean team.
Ilama bus so abangeke
vele solid. Then uke wathatha kwenye indaba nje esiphongu ubamba kancane sayiyekela women's football. Sesiya ku women's football. Imaningi I was so disappointed ngento le. I'm very much disappointed ku Chido. Beyimthembile uChido njena.
Dala into zawo lezi ncabe ezibhale ngesikhiwa nti ziya make sense. Nxa sesixoxa thina ngolimi lethu lapha yiko okungani uyabona ukuthi lapha kujwayelane kubi. But isikhiwa sibhalile yena uyavuma ukuthi
uChido
uyavuma ukuthi anti baqala bathi sina sesihamba then kwasokubuya isponsor and then kwasokuthiwa ama requirements isponsor asihlale sifakile imali ku account yenu
wafaka phela uTopi
wafaka anti and then isikhiwa sabe
in this case sikhuluma uMagaya 12 viewers Walter Magaya
Prophet Walter Magaya uyada FC
but yenazethu episode lesi sikhuluma ngo Prophet eboreni kangaka
so isikhiwa sawo sona sithi balethile into ade sizicelile ama requirements but our meet ama standards ethu thina as women Premier Soccer League ukuthi team sinjani sithi ayingeni.
Which standards now?
Yabona yiwa ngachasiswanga. Yiko ngitsho ukuthi hayi ngesikhiwa nxa kukhulunywa ngesikhiwa uqedile ukuthi hayi akufiki kuma levels thina eswa expectayo. But nxa sesibuzana ukuthi which standards sesikhuluma thina sethu lapha isihloko.
Ayisindebeleni kule statement lesithandwa abadala abakule nto enuka santungwana.
So ngasifana sibili ukuthi statements ungasifana sibili ngumuntu othi ngifuna ukuzolalela ukuthi batheni
because masuthi yazwenza kanani i-team lesa sikhuluma ngala studio yabafazi ya withdraw citing ama problems la sasikhuluma ngawo an so bathe be withdraw uMagaya said hayi linga withdraw ngizale nika mnimali labe likhempa ehoteleni yami mahara labe lidlalela eHart Stadium so ugani khona ukukhuluma i-Women's Premier Lokhuzeni League executive yasithi hayi njani bhalaleni incwadi lifaka imali khona ukukhuluma bakuyenza i-team lena ya continue train jiki so le ncwadi ethi hayi asalifuni ku league sesisharp ngani but sebeyenzile lokho
akade bethebe kwenza
yiko nisithi kule nto enuka santungwana zayilandelela indaba leyo angazi ukuthi unibona njani
ya kulenye into ngaphansi kwamanzi ungabona sokunjalo maybe sokuyipersonal cause okwenze bavuma uqala kuyini after all phakathi lapha sebesithi ha no akusayenzi
ngoba mina I believe bayenzile ukuthiwa bekuyenza.
Bayenzile abantu bathi bafuna lokhu umagawa anikeze imali. Then along the way sebesithi, which means it sokulokunye futhi esingakwaziyo bona abakwaziyo bona ababayalesayo.
Uthi ngesikhiwa it makes sense.
Straightforward angesikhiwa vela awudingi ukubuza.
So singachithi isikhathi kule ama results abomama.
Ama results abomama ami kanje Topi. Bakumiste ibani. Baphonga usinika straight nje.
Baku should be 725 26 if I'm not mistaken.
24 someone so 25 26 yeah. So Conduit Soccer Academy ichai Kwekwe Queens 2-1. Correctional Queens ichai Platinum Royals 1-0. Shasham Gweru Queens FC Dlwe Rentals Queens FC 4-0. Harare City Queens ichai Black Rhinos Queens 1-0. Black Mambas le Chapungu Queens idraw 1-1.
Match day 26.
Yama ama results engelawo la. So number 1 no number 2 etu kanje ade kungubani last year. I think Rentals yabisisondelile le Black Rhinos. Izo zi2.
Number 1 should be
no yakhona ukuchecka lapha
ilokhu yabondayo eduze. Angifuni ukuthi ngicine sengiqamba manga.
So
it should be Chapungu Queens number 1 followed by Rentals number 2.
But so Rentals winile 4. Bezilingana ama points.
Bezilingana ama points chana goal difference.
So kuthi nxa Rentals sibe lokusondelanyana hayi Rentals iChapungu Queens ibile 58 points. With 22 games and Rentals ile 56.
Ngiyakudala ngumatch day 22 sesimatch day 26.
Lo ngu20 also 24.
Sesimatch day 26 yena le ama results ngaka 26.
Rentals lokho ile game inini. So yabe lokho ngu number 2.
Yes.
Isala nge 2 points.
Yes. Then speaking of, is there anything else besides sesingena ku Khatlaka Premier Soccer League esingabe maybe sithi sikuchila sakubambanga okukhumbulayo okwenzakeleyo eBoreni Masudu ungaba le anything eyenzakalayo oyikhumbulayo
eZimbabwe
sesingena ku sesiya ku Premier Soccer League because what I remember esingakayi touch but it's part of the Premier Soccer League umacha umuntu ngempama
yeah
umjitha
ngizela phala ingxoxo yethu suspendele ngeqile le Sorin Makhiwo
ingezi yathi hayi khona kuyana sasikukhulumele besibukela ipass and move ama-agency ipass and move athe sikuncede ubuhle ziphansi so take sure ingezi yathi hayi obuphumulini
but it's a wiser decision
and
ukuthi indade befuna ukuyenza yini kumbe i-pressure.
I don't think ukuthi pressure because ungakukhanyelisisa very proper budget ngendlela okwenzakala ngayo they to make sure ukuthi umjida lawo bamse because abamcochanga they just suspended him they are saving him from himself because kunenge kodwa ongayenzakala.
That's why ngithi it's a wiser decision because vela tingayenza aqhubeke
yabo.
I think iZimbabwe sike sakhuluma ngayo from le Lesotho singakangena ku Premier League sikakhuluma ngayo.
Ayisesa khuluma is part of last year. Ilane
sithi lo coach kahambe.
So uChiroki mina I think kimi ngiyayithanda decision yenzo ingezi.
Yeah it's into right. Nxa sikhale vele indlela ade mele beyenze ngayo izinto. Longamelanga bephuze nje ade kumele vele bekwenze nje then
sasemasini. Ngichaza ukuthi bahle banikwe uassistant wakho ukumbirayo bathi hayi ububambile. Bathi hayi ububambile.
Kwawini ukumbirayo. Wachaya ama defending champions akade ekhalela ukuwina kwesi2.
So looking into match day 31 oyenzakale ngeSaturday angazi amawena ama predictions lezakhumbula yena uthi athini with the game with games on Saturday iyada le Kariba they played to a 1-1 draw.
Ale ngangipredictile le ngale draw ukuthi ngayengaki but I remember ngathi 0-0
mina nganisithi iyada ngathi Kariba
ngathi draw
nathi I gave it to Kariba I lost this one. I gave it to Carib. So they played to a 1-1 draw. Then Emandaba. This one I
Emandaba futhi ngayipredict.
This one lama
uyilandele ukuze ngayipredict ngathi as long kuphela singale iplatinum angazi ukuthi kumbe siwangena moya bani
ngani.
Ngathi vele mayingazizithayi one
platinum kanje
le tell one because mina ngathi unavaya ngendlela ku form ngayo.
I think mina ngathi i-draw.
Wena lo matches I think idlale ku platinum.
Uyakwazi mina ngibona ngaze
babe ku platinum.
Hayi i-platinum ngathi ngeke nginike straight ku 2-1. I think ngeke nginike straight win ku 2-1.
So i-tell one yacha i-platinum 1-0 ichaye i-platinum 1-0 ngeSaturday. Then eBaobab ingezi leSimba. This was a tough encounter for uluphahla ngazi ukuthi kuSimba sokusuke kwayalani sokuhamba njani.
So ndawo zokuyala idela ngikhona mdala yabudolo chisa ikhanda ukudlula wena lapha.
I think sehambe how many games uluphahla engela win.
Is it le mbona game 4? Anju
four games
before ehamba ngale obeyisele 2 wabuya igame inendi lana wadliwa
wadraw 0-0
wadraw 0-0 wabuya le futhi sechayiwe so sehambe 4 games with that win
emadude oluphahla
singazi ukuthi khona ngali pressure lithini
into engikhalela
supporters because lana i team layo kade ibhekelele ukuthi
Chino bantu bathi
Chino layo isendaweni 1 vele bayithanda laba khona
blind
so maya suhambe 4 games singazi umfowethu amephisele pressure yenye
and umuntu engamfundi ebe le pressure is one of the upcoming coaches emkhangelele ukuthi izifa kumele imkhangele ku program lana bengikhuluma ngayo nxa bengayi implement yabona nxa bengakhangela ngendlela esikhayela ngayo ibhoro luphahla ngomunye coach obuya sharp ngiyambe mfuna ebe le team aziprove ukuthi but I think he has done well.
Asingeke simkhalele Topi even engayithathanga engasayithathanga league. Aso umuntu esingam I think ulupha mina alright lokho engiqala ukulandelela into ezinvolve yena. Ngokuqala ukumbona ephambili kweteam kunguyothiwa nguye coach.
Yes.
Kukhulunywa ngokuthi esengawini ileague. Yabona. So kutshenisa ukuthi nje ngumuntu oya progress a steady progress. Maybe asikuthatha nje ukuthi this season nje ebesabona. Next season uzaba kwasulungisa ngaphelanga.
Like uMasudi saying ngoba hey ipressure mdala.
Mina vele uluphahla to me manje. Ngamfaka nje ngohlopho. Uluphahla uyakubuyela lama unknown. Look at tell one to yenzeni wasuke lama unknown yabona bafana bayashayina khela kuSimba bhoro ukuthi uyenzeni I think it's a good player good coach good coach.
Unfortunately they lost to Ingezi 2-1 ukumbira uyalila uqalisa ngeluzi ngoba iSimba ike yalida then Ingezi came from behind yawina 2-1
Ingezi but ivele buya even against Dynamo igame leyana kwempama kwakhona
yayibuya blind. Then we'll also a Green Arena ngale Greenfield Arena Greenfield ekhwekwe Greenfield made a statement yesofuna usurvive relegation ichayile ikhwekwe uMasimba bahle bathi aphumula mdala chay 5 note bathi Masimba Dinero amana
ama results akho la sazwe
aphathela sedliwe awudliwe uMasimba.
But Greenfield vele layo mawungayibheka ifuna 1 or 2 touches yona ngokwayo in terms of ilokozina abakhanya afa bakhonti ibhora labo lile art
udlakama
le quality
ibhora labo le Greenfield iyadlala
ngikhuluma igame esayibukela bedlala le Chicken
Indiana
ngenye is one of the teams that you enjoy watching.
Udlakama mina ngiyamhlonipha la njengocoach ngomunye wabo coach uthi kungathiwa icoach ama top teams. It's unfortunate ukuthi lapha azama ukuqala engaqala bamazela khona kungezi bamxoxela ukuthi waba ngunumber 2 waba ngunumber 3 uyabona but okunjengokuthi laba ngabantu ukuthi ngabanika isikhathi bawubuildela i-team sibele ngasali win league because Ingezi yasali win league lo Chirac with the following season
esephekile
yayiphekwe ngudlakama so udlakama is one of good coaches esilawa lapha in the country even umsebenzi awenzele wange ku division 1 before ebuyela ku Greenfield
muhle kakhulu
uyabona ukuthi team idlala iborelini
adlala vele yadlala team la
then last game ka week 31 iscored le Moz le debut yabo lokhu icontinue
Wona Rufaro wabona
bekufiwa even eground tense atmosphere yakhona ogege ngapha labo me haya bekuplay. But what I liked ngegame le it was not Caps or Dynamos playing. These are newly formed teams. The numbers they are pulling
too much.
Do you see the numbers that these teams have? They pegged Rufaro inkulu mdala. I think Rufaro inkulu kancane kule beef, but it was pegged. Most it shows the growth. Ye Bora that side of
Bayishepile, yeah. It's they have changed. All right, manangati they have changed. But sebevuselele lapha kade kuwe khona ungakhayela iPremier Soccer League mdala ama match attendance ayesedropile kakhulu.
Because abantu besengasalithanda ibhora lethu lokuthi ama-team wona lawo bekuyiwona lawo. So in a way sasikhala I think this is one of the positives we can take from ama-teams embinga lawo. Abuye lokunye okulilihlo ebhoreni.
Abafaka ama-structures are-right nje ukuthi ama-team la continue for isikhathi eside nje. Yabona kungabi into yokuthi since kathe singile imali mana mpho nguvusa i-team
uthi Mbingi ingabroka i-team la isibroka
abayenze
okwayenza Sporting Lions
yikuthi asikwazi ukuthi behind the scenes kwenzakalani. I've seen iScotland yayenza ama moves ukuthi yabona abantu laba iambition ikhona
very serious
but hopefully nje ku sustainable kwinto kwakhona ukuthi even uScott engathi no mina ngamfuna ukulinika i-team lichazeke njeke for example nje emavuko but after that senchiya guys i-team salani isalirana nje ihamba ngendlela eyiyo nje wenza ukuthi excitement liyani iqhubeke siba
yona kahle le order Masudu.
Mina Scotland in terms of i-order vele imali. Uyabona mawule mali into yakho yonke ibela i-order.
Hamdala bakhona amanye abantu abale imali ongela order
singaqabela abantu abale imali ukuthi even ama-t-shirts abo wathi but ngizwele ukukhuluma ngama-supporters yabona. Mina ngophala ikho because ama-supporters labana ugcina ungakwazi ukuthi abanye abantu babethethwe endlaleni kwathiwa ngena nebhasini sebukeli yabona zimbinga lesiyana yabona so ugcina ungakwazi ade full packed ngabantu ade bethe vele siyayisupporta in heart kumbe bafuna something ukuthi asingahamba siyasupporta ba maybe siyathengelwa amabhiyanyana kumbe siyathengelwa ukudlanyana yabo.
But unga-check ama-subscriptions first I think in terms of transparency Scotland one of the first teams in Zim over transparent ama-subscriptions even ama-supporters supporters associations what even khona apho kobulawayo bakhona
kobulawayo kukhona even the social yawe wena ngiyibona
you understand into ekhuluma ngazo
sebele everything
ngifuna ukwenza i-example dala endabeni yama-fans ukuthi ubusithi awakwazi babe bejikele ebhasini nani wabona ongananzelela ibulawayo Chiefs zingena ku-Premier League dala yayenza izinto ezichazayo ukuthi wedwa wena even uli supporter le Highlanders
ucina ufisa
iHighlanders lapho engadlali khona nxa udlala ibulawayo Chiefs yiteam ekuchazayo uzahamba uyisupporter
lokho bekuyenza la khathesi
iScotland la ibuye engwena leyana iScotland mdala iyafisha ama-supporters kuthe kule kuthiwani igathiwa wathi agricultural show Harare
main entry bebekhona lapha eThekwini
bebekhona
Garden of House
mdala musical event
bebekhona
kobulawayo la e-trade fair lapha bafike bapitcha ama-tent bafaka ama-kit abo mahle mdala uyayithenga wena ijezi uyigqoke
besubscribe abantu bebengama-member
uyabona lapho thenga khona ijezi bayakutshela ukuthi thina si-team ebhiliva lokhu lalokhu even ngathi ungakwazi ibhora uku-house music event ngale ibhora suliqalisele ku-Scotland
it's one of the interesting initiatives abazenzayo
bawenza umsebenzi wokuthi fine siya-understand ukuthi ama-support amanye siwathatha kwamanye ama-team but lathi siyakhona uzenzela wethu from scratch
unga-check even ku-media babe sebethethe uJavas because umsebenzi omuhle owenziwa nguJavas kubulawayo Chiefs so bona bafuna ibrand labo libe like that so i-brand attractive to ama-support and unga-check igame leyani ibile amatikiti abethengiswa before amatikiti ama-support ahle athenga
before
bengakayi igame so it shows ukuthi ama-team la asekhulile in stage imozi le-Scotland away from i-Caps le Dynamos ku-region yona leyana eHarare yona leya so yabona i-growth engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi even ama-supporter khona ukugane ntsha kusho ukuthi ngendlela ibulawa Chiefs la ubukhuluma odwa ngoYireland ukhuluma ukuthi ibulawa Chiefs ile ode awuswelakali futhi emagame neChiefs
yaniswela ngani
Kabe kubachaza izinto lezi yabe zisichaza sifuna ukuyabona ngoba kuyindaba yokuthi thawumbe imali lo indlala mdala
bakhona bendlala
ababesuka ichicken iyanika ama 2 piece nge half time
lokana is not interesting
bizela umbe 20 nge half time ichicken
lokana is not interesting
abantu lokwathatha abawathathi futhi
but engikutsho even bakhera engikutsho ukuthi Kelly Scott umfana noyidoba ama plastic lo umthengile izabha baningi ziningi nje yes of course lokana bakwenza bobale imali but khayela ama subscriptions ungambe erufaro bale shop wayibona wena
airport Harare
bale so into is interesting bayenza ama road show bayenzani yesihlale ukukhuluma ukuthi wayiland ikhomele bebekwenza
ama point ngiyawazi but I think lama team alapha ku Premier umele afunde eqhathe abantu even o chairman even administration yonke ezaba open mind ukuthi lezi zinto izo ezifunekayo kunje so kona ababulawayo oHighlanders kubuyiHighlanders Football Club liyana vele abantu abayo koSamrio abantu bayakhophana eBC lapha ilama shop yamajesi but konke akukho kulelo kuzenzela
yakwazi wayengekho lokho nehlala ukukhuluma ubuRoni esikhuluma ngaye wayengu CEO weHighland ungu CEO weScotland ama ideas hayi bamvumela ewayenza singazi behind the scenes bamvumela kuyo wonke yini but singanika abafana abancane like uSikhonjwa may so rest in peace wafuma uchairman weHighlanders we know guaranteed ukuthi wayezabuya lezi zinto ezintsha
wayebuya lezi zinto ezintsha
you understand uRoni wayebuya lezi zinto ezintsha asikwazi ukuthi babemvumela babemyaleni because ngakubona but is the same guy okuScotland khanyela ama initiatives akho but eBoreni iScotland 1-0 ukudliwa kweSimba Bora I think so bavulele igap ukuthi
ama chances
ukuthi league
vele kuthiwa iScotland ile superior goal difference ukuthi ngawina next game kungangokuthi iSimba la ingazi win the next 2 games zilingana ama points iScotland yathatha ngegoal difference
ngibani wayibukela igame yakho mina ngizwe ama rumors nje kuthiwa I was busy day la khona kuthiwa iMozi yayalelo lenye igoli kwathiwa offside mina ukuthi
sike sakhuluma ngalo kanye ukuthi although even if it's not conclusive but umntasa ngendlela engambona ngayo le goal even to me it's not conclusive iclip embone ngayo I think umenzi sizamnikeza ayifake ama viewers ebone bayaleli Kobora iMozi for half time equalizer 1-1
all right ukuthi
baluganye to the offside
uyibona kwakho it was a goal
endaba zama offsides anti yikubona emakhiweni ngale sebeze beyifaka emagetsini anti but ukuthi sibone ibhora lapho lisuku ukuthi umembe bemenga kahle kahlupha but igap akade between istriker seMozi labo last man iline yeScotland by the time ustriker weMozi offside ethinta ibhora and ibinkulu igap leyana ukuthi umuntu lwane ngabe ekade offside onside so for mina ngivumelana ukuthi igoli yana ibi offside ibingaso goal
uyamuzwa zawutshayisa iclip but umenze uzayifaka lapha ama viewers etayibona so that was the last game ngeSaturday then moving on to iSunday we saw iCaps ngichazekile le chicken in Manchester full tshela manga I was super happy ngama results lawo we saw iCaps United sidla iManica Diamonds 1-0 then iChicken in sidla iTriangle also 1-0 ngama results engangawakhangelelanga but ngama team ebengafuni ephume ngoba lokhu kuwa booster ukuthi ama chance abo ku survivor ebe maningi then the last game the battle of Zimbabwe elinda le Dynamos draw ile 1-1
fair result for both teams ngoba ukudliwa kweyodwa lapha ngabe isikhathi sesikhuluma ezinye istory i-Highlanders idliwe ngabe siphansi i-Dynamos idliwe layo ibiyabe lokho khona phana but bekuyabe sokusiba nzima more and more ukuthi iqanse laphana the rival side ama-team lawa siyadinga wonke yi-2 uzibonele ukuthi bekugcwele njani eground laphana amid even i-corruption yama-tickets lani
we need to touch on that
you know ukuthi ama-team lana nxa yi-2
i-PSL need to mina ngifuna ukuthi ngiqase kubhudas i-27 minutes yakhe
mina I'm so disappointed ngama-results ikakhulu ngikhangelele emnxeleni we-Highlanders because i-Highlanders i-Dynamos they were happy even ama-supporters are now they are still happy why because bebe away and bethi bekhona i-stadium ukuthi mina most of the times lapha nganse south but i-stadium kudala ngasigcina ukusibona abantu behleli phansi which means abantu kobulawayo bebebuye bonke hayi nge$3 lalela ngabantu abangasebenziyo bebuye bonke ama$5 which means ngama$10 ngoba bemele adla gezi adli agade umchova yenzeni which means i$10 or 15 kusiyala nje i-Highlanders bemele ishow ukuthi abasiku home and sigcwale kulabantu ababuyileyo for thina labakazi ade besithanda but bengela lutho
ngakho nomnye sikhulumele sibe vele
izolo ngibone mina abanye abantu engibaziyo ukuthi vele ibhoso ade bengasayilandeli but babuyile bezothi up for Highlanders after all mina yiko ngisithi ku Dynamos it's 80% win thina kithi it's 20% i-Highlanders ihlulekile mina vele bengini 27 ukuthi after 27 minutes singawina before 27 minutes sesithayile igolu
after 27
after 27 unfortunately umfana wabesenza uRausha
it's a poor result for to the Highlanders
it's a poor result to Highlanders
but abantu abaningi masuthi bebesithi fair result
no abantu abathi fair result anjo ngabantu abangakwazi ukuthi ukudla iDynamos is like a winning a league ngoba singathiwa ukuthi ngoma relegation winning against iDynamos yilo beScotland nazo singuthela but winning against iDynamos is like winning a league akula into lesingayicelebrate empilweni yona li udlula lo nyaka lesifuna ukucina ngokucelebrate and futhi next week siya ku Dynamos
this week
siya ku Dynamos leya kade kumele sikhambe ngentshutshu labantu labana abanye ade bezahamba but now abafana baphula umoya
isikhathi ngase sidlwa ngumangoye kancane but sesiyavala mfuna ukuthi uzwa wena ngendlela igame oyibone ngale ndlela obone ngayo iDynamos lawe ngendlela elibone ngayo both teams izolo eground
i-Highlanders anti from igame izolo iqale slow singakakhuluma ukuthi benga-edela ama-strikers and stuff I think bele chance yokuthi igame bebengayiwina from ibench ama-substitutes angeniwe lana ayi-3 was it number 24 and then abangena beyi-3 bekulo Prince lo Darlington os3 semkhohle
Lorizin
abantu labana abangene mdala batshintsha igame angazi ukuthi bese kuyiconfidence ukuthi ama-supporters lawo besebizela kakhulu laphana but abantu labana abangene mdala igame nje bafika bayibamba bathi asitshove ngale ndlela asitshove ngale pace you know besilethwa down nje ukuthi finishing yongela but iDynamos ibhore izidlalele nje 90 minutes idlalile you know amaphasa we-TV kule phasa lokho engikhuluma ngayo mina ukuthi kule defense splitting pass ebuyile lana yahamba ku flank ka left left lana wasikiza ngani ya cross angabona omunye siyo nje esihlahle esigajile
change aturecho wena phansi
call for fun Kwatizo there most creative player look at how he works that channel to Mafunga can he get into the box Mafunga Ross does quite well Tanu oh Jalai comes getting Mafunga beautiful play Brian
ubone njani
mina ngibone iDynamos amfuna ukucomment ngayo kakhulu iDynamos idlale ibhola clean smart stable football ekade lilihle nje iHighlanders idlale vele mina ngithe ingakaqalisi ngathi bangayeke ukuthi betshela umfana lwana ukuthi angayenziyo naleyananto and wabe seyayenza the same thing kade ngiqeda lokho eyasithayisa ngobilliard waluza ibhora la ngena uRaush waluza ibhora la ngena remember seHarare angazi ukuthi ucoach la ngosikhathi hayi uNyondo that striker uyadlala 80 minutes engakhanyi ukuthi uyenza engiyekho egemini and ubulokhu umfaka uyabona and manje iDynamos look at uJalai ubese nguModric Slopos naye ecenter because ubese nanzethu kulomshori kulo Melikhaya bebengani bacashile vele uJalai ubezenzela now ukuthi mase ayifese iDynamos abake bemfaki uDali weqase ngomkhuli kubuye lokho ngofana ngoyubhedi lokhana ngoba singahamba sinjana lapha idlala ukuthi away Dynamos singahamba sinjana siyaphenduka sesilolaka isashaya straight.
Mina from that game it was a beautiful game, right? I think mina kimi into engayithatha nje kuphela uJalai is now too big for a league le.
Vele hayi lona kahamba something lapha.
Ama team aphandle mbona is one player who proved and showed ukuthi why is he the local based player eqalisa ku national team.
Dara member ubekekile from a play to ubuntu awusozuthola social media ukuthi awuyenzeni clean
lokho nyakubona but eground kanti amfana neBorealas lo.
Yeah. Awutshala vele to me lapha eZimbabwe
is one of the best.
Is the best.
Awutshala eBorealas. I was so impressed.
Yonke into humble everything.
I was
is a modern day defender. A defender ekwazi uku-reach le attack.
I was so impressed guys.
That guy usendaweni engasi yakhe. Angazi kumbe abamprofit yini noma gawuthi ndoda usendaweni engasi yawo. That guy usendaweni engasi yakhe.
Abasuthi.
Sama prophet abaningi amanye wobhekendeni. Abanye kanjani? Abamthethe ndoda suka khona lapha usendaweni engasoya.
Hlehla.
Awuboni kathi ukuthi kathi nguthiwa ngubantu eBhayibhelini.
uAbraham
uJona.
Lo Abraham
useTashishi Jona. Lembe Jona useTashishi. Hambeni niva Jona.
Uzaginywa enhlazi.
UseTashishi la uJalai.
Jomlo sembuye. Aparone ongakabukela uJalai. That boy is Marvel
top super baba.
Marvel to watch. I put I jealous down. But it was a beautiful game at the end of the day. We saw ama missed chances. Pure display, Bora. To me, it was fair to everyone because we know. Since I wanna say we get this group, put Dynamos chai post.
Mdala usiyangena
asifuni violence. Awujika is group.
Hayi. Labana ngabantu bempankwena ngazi athi ngibonile.
Ngoba siyangena uhlathela ngemva wethu lawo athi lapha.
Ikempankwena utsho.
Siyangena.
Asikufuni lokho
sisathi hayi Jensi lingayenzi njalo ngobona sesifly.
Asiqhubekeni isikhuza guys ababukela ishow. Please nxa ubuye eBF sindawo yokukwejisa sibukela iBora sikholise sile stress eziningi njengabantu. Please iBora relieve ungabuza ojika izigubhu. Sibukholisile iBora any result lithathe.
Yeah,
is football.
Ngicela mina ukucina ngokuthi siyacela abantu asilandela iBora kakhulu. Siyahamba out siyahamba ngawo wonke ama stadiums. Amanzi abe khona phakathi. Thina sihamba labantwana eBoreni. Uyathi ufike eBF bethi amanzi avunyelwa. Izolo we running
and
it was worse than the other day waphela khona amanzi la abathengisayo phakathi. Izolo asaphela before iBorikala. So how expect ukuthi abantu abakona 60,000 80,000 bephile ngani kuchisa kulabantwana lithi amanzi avunyelwa kanti kukwenzwa njani ku premier uthi why kuyalwa amanzi eBF why kuyalwa amanzi eBF.
Speaking on that besikhuluma nje ama ticket aphelini angazi ukuthi what's the issue behind that, but did they not anticipate ukuthi that would be a sold out match?
Right indaba le vela sithi alleged because lo muntu okhulumile yanti indaba iyona isiqoqo lasendaba uqinisile anti but ama numbers akakhulumileyo ukuthi uthiwa ku printwe 10,000 tickets egemini okwazi ukuthi wena eBF kusukela nini vele kutshona kukhulunywa ukuthi iBF ifila igcwala nge20,000 kusithi ngabo 11 15 kusithi
ungakacontinue ngakubamba umlomo kona ibhora most of the time uma suthi ukhuluma into eZimbabwe economically we are struggling people especially Bulawayo ngani siyaswela ezimalini ungathiwa $5 ubukubona ama number ayihla but to my surprise izolo bathe $5
kwagcwala
kwabuya labantu abantu abaningi kakhulu so there's a possibility ukuthi babe calculate because abantu besikole laba amabhuku indlela abacalculate ngayo into zebhora ziyachiyana le mabhuku esikole uyacalculate babe la estimations ukuthi we've been doing this singathi $5 abantu bayazi trend ukuthi there's this trend before ku graph uyabelieve mdala abantu bafundile kanjalo babeshaya amazazi bekutshela graph ama statistics this but ebhoreni akusebenzi lokho you understand that's why kwagcina I remember kwaba le stampede eSouth Africa ngezinto ezinjalo kwafa abantu izolo if anything istampede was close abantu babuyile abantu bebehlezi phansi
abantu bememva kwamapolice emafensini lapha
ingozi yona lesikhuluma ukuthi abanye abantu bacebe ngeso ngela amatikiti it's dangerous because anything that happens abantu will stampede siphume enzima if you can ask
ama steps okuhambela
ama steps okumele usebenze ukuhamba
abantu behlezi ngani unganyathela umuntu ekutsha
you understand
khuluma ngebhuku but ekwayizolo ade kufuna general knowledge
yike ngikutsho
okay this is the last game adikhangelile kobulawayo enkulu so every party vele ade isukuma yiko ngithi kusukuma labantu ade behlele emgelweni labantu ade bengayenzi lutho
you understand this is what I'm saying phela masuku
ushota ama tickets ushota amanzi
uyabona into
engikhuluma amanzi
uyabona into engisho kanye ukuthi labantu bama statistician uma ama statistician babeyenza limeza bethi thina according to our statistics these are the numbers that we are going to come with, it has been proven mdala you don't do that put proper measures ube wazi ukuthi ulo plan A lo plan B
ngona ama tickets esale lokuthi eshort
yes and no ukuthi ani khale sikhuluma ukuthi ama game ama ticket eScotland le Moz athengiswe before igame they know the numbers asethengile why don't you do that egamini enkulu njenge Islander le Dynamos ama ticket ethengiswe ko high bahlala sikhala PSL people ama ticket ethengiswe ko by so doing labantu bamaka ngepen uthi umuntu uyangena ethike ngepen umuntu uyangena ethike abantu bafuqana kasakwazi ukuthi bala njalo abantu sebengene bebabani bakunika ama numbers are wrong but ama ticket engathengiswa ko hyper bra uyabusukwazi ukuthi siphinde 15,000 tickets asethengiswe yaphela you now put out a message abantu I number esikhangeleyo isikhona asafuna
ungabuye stadium
ngela ticket it's simple as 1 2 3 as ABC angazi ukuthi kumele senzeni you understand because I think ngama measures anga improve ibhora lethu sikhatha ezinye izinto ezisihluphayo masini because omunye umuntu bese hleze empintshekile lapha behlezi phansi is bad for football is bad for ipicture but le stadium sile number kumele siyithwale siyacracker still abantu befe ingozi esikukhulumayo izinto kumele bezinanzelele abantu bephi ngoba izolo it was pegged to the Raptors ngesikhiwo you understand so izinto ezokunanzelela zona in closing this episode gents this weekend i-calendar ye-PSL iyama kancane then ku resume iShibuku kuyafiwa
ziyakhala
ngama semi-final akuzwanwana we've got ukhayela nje calendar kancane eKhathi Premier Soccer League calendar esisele siya ku week 25 is Shibuku Super Cup akuna magame ePSL we resume iPSL on the 1st and 2nd of November.
Okay.
So this week is let's look at ama fixtures
Chibuku Super Cup
of which Islanders is traveling to Dynamos Rufaro. Yes, and the other semi-final is pitting. The other fixture is Moz in
Triangle.
The other semi-final
Dynamos and Highlanders.
So the one is another fixture are changed. Who is going to the final?
Imozi idlala le triangle ama chances emozi akhona imozi yadlala ibhola
triangular is difficult to.
Yeah,
Is
but I favor
chicken
mina I take to
we are going to with Moz.
mina
Garnet.
ngibona o team B triangle Highlanders ngizibona ku final
Oh, sitting on Team P.
ibabhalwe njalo ukuthi team A team B team A
Oh, according to the fixture, or
o team A ngezi home
Eh,
then o team B ngezi away so team A Moz and Dynamos is home team B triangle and Highlanders ngibona o team B mina be progressa to final although I Dynamos ile confidence yokuthi ikhaplay kudala belokho beyiwina
ngifuna ukubuya khona.
but
You know ukuthi Dynamos has won it twice, huh?
in a row
And balayo kathesi.
izolo bathe bona bafuna ukuyina kwesi3 be break record
You understand? Yema defending champions. Mina mbona ngendlela la iDynamos edlala ngayizolo. Mbona kusiba nzima ukuyaphuma kweHighland eRufaro. Benga continue even nge defensive player beka Arthur lo Mlojo. Then Moz le triangle ndo Masutu. I see Moz winning
all right
that one. I see finally Dynamos le Moz.
I mean i-Islander ngayithika if but vele i-Islanders according to i-Dynamos idlala njani lapha i-Islanders ingahamba injana hayi i-Dynamos iyathatha
but do you know ukuthi according to ama supporters Dynamos do you know that they prefer ukudlala le Highlanders ngapha eBF than eRufaro
Because
batshela ukuthi bona bawina i-Highlanders wina ngale
but over the years that has changed. Dynamos lapha eBF ayisidonzini. Ayisidonzini
ngapha anti igame yankona becina iwine le office nabantu sebengena ema ground
Yes.
yabona
But let's look at the log, then we close.
Yeah.
The log standing here, like Premier Soccer League. Scotland is now on 62 points, followed by Simba on 56. This one we can now safely close this chapter. Scotty in case. Then the interesting part, guys, from Highlanders number 10 to Iata number 17. Aska confirm team relegator with 3 games to go.
yeah
Iata is now on 31 points, followed by Pikita Minerals on 33 points, Dynamos on 34, Manica 34, Greenfield 34, Triangle on 34, Chicken in 36, Islander 36.
coach Highlanders uthe we need just 1 win from 3 games
Hayi
That's 3 points
lapho yabe wrong la yamphikiza.
utsho njalo
Hayi akuyenzi.
next game ye-Islanders iSimba
Islander iselele Islander yesele ama tricky and fixtures.
hayi sizabona
But all I can say is
i-relegation
battle yafika.
i-relegation ilengile so
i-relegation-
anyone can sengamdonsela khona eprison anyone sewangadonswa khona aba from Highlanders usiyana
wasoduthiwa ngokuya lamasasilasa esichayisa
Ama punchline.
anyone hayi because ingadliwa la i-Islander 2 games and i-Dynamos la ingadliwa 2 games i-Islander la idliwe 2 games and i-Islanders yiko nje izolade emeli win khangela manje uthi la ilando Simba
Islander vele ile Simba, ile Manica, ile Chickenini.
iChickenini so ngaba ngcono wathi sidlale lo draw vele but
So kusiya ukuthi kuyabe kwenzakaleni because ama team lawan from le 31 ngawina ku 34. Lezi ziyama 34 zingawina ziya ku 37. Zonke ziyabe zisiya phezulu kwe-Highlanders le Chickenini. Yiko sithi sokusiya ngokuthi kuyabe kwenzakaleni emagameni lawo amanye.
anti izifa athi ayangenela izifa ayizama ukungenela i-PSL ingenela ukuthi ama team ayiwalethi imali wapi bezama ukutshela uRafi
Haya. Asikufule eboreni khona.
without this
hayi abadlali
Basuthu la
otshona akatshoni sizakhala but akatshoni ibhora lidlalo nje wonke umuntu ebele equal chance
Basuthu last words my brother.
hayi mina ngithi hayi asiqhubekeni supporta ifootball asiqhubekeni ikakhulu kahle let us have that foundation eZimbabwe lathi singafane labo Morocco lathi siye kude ngefootball siqhathe abantu asema officeini abalentshukuthu yefootball not abantu abafuna ukudla imali but abalentshukuthu yefootball singatshoni sidiscussa kungapheleli ematafuleni but kuyinto ephumelela ku ground iZimbabwe la isiye kude ngefootball.
Garnet,
hayi mina siyabonga ukusekelwa from ama pass and move special to the main pass and move event enjengalesi yenzakalesi. Siyabonga ukuthi iqhubeka lisisekela liyazwisisa ukuthi umsebenzi wethu siwenzela ukuthi ekugcineni wonke umuntu egcine ethanda nje ibhora lethu ngoba nxa singazithandi thina kulo munye umuntu ongasithanda ngcono. So qhubekani lisisekela nje, like, subscribe, share nini, lisitshele lapho kumele silungisise khona silungise.
My parting words, I would like to congratulate the Hunters being the first lo mfana omncane uClifford ukuqualify ungena ku PSL. Sithi welcome to the big boys. Lapho sabe sikubona every day. Let's hope bazamnika umfana lwana umsebenzi, and like Masudu said, I foundation solid phezulu ngale bozifa iyafunakala bekhayela ibhora lethu in general. And to our viewers, ngithathe futhi amazwi kaGarnet Mbijana, please continue supporting, like, subscribe and share. And to the crew behind the scenes, danko siyabonga Machida, the Tape 3 media team. Yibo phela bathe hayi asike siqhubekeni sikube yithi esipower lezi studio ezibhizi ngale elokhuzeni. This recorded i-audio zathi hayi into le ngeyethu. Abamanye ama sponsors azabuya sejoina phezulu asibaya leli. Nxa ubukele ufuna ukusixhasa uyasupporta ngendlela ufuna ukhume pass and move special. Nxa ulapho khona ubukele ufuna ukuthi amana ngixhasa amajita beke nje this week sifuke eHarare. Ubonke ama gents nanku la ku amacopho. Kwanjanini lani siya allowed
Yena tama
into ngiyabantu ishow ngomphakathi. Please siyabonga guys, until next time, ciao.
adios